Tamir is shot in .792 seconds.
That's attorney Walter Madison describing how much time passed once a Cleveland police cruiser stopped before an officer fired shots at 12-year-old Tamir Rice.
Disrespect.
According to Madison and attorney Benjamin Crump, who represent Tamir's family, an officer fired at the 12-year-old in less than 1 second after stopping a cruiser at the Cadell Recreation Center November 22nd.
You see these things on video where police officers are doing some shocking things, but yet nobody's saying anybody held responsible.
Police say Rice had an airsoft pistol, which looked like a real gun on him, and did not drop it when ordered by officers.
Of the Rice family.
During a press conference Tuesday, Rice's family also responded to the city's answers to a wrongful death lawsuit. The city stated in court documents that Tamir Rice failed to exercise due care.
The city's answer was very disrespectful to my son, Tamir.
We find it very insulting and disrespectful, not just to this family, but to the memory of a dead child.
Mayor Frank Jackson apologized for the language used in the city's response during his own press conference Monday.
Is about apologizing to the family in who we have caused some hurt, some harm to in that regard.
Samaria Rice, the mother of Tamir Rice, says she is still waiting for the city to apologize to her for the death of her son.
I have not received an apology from the police department or the city of Cleveland in regards to the killing of my son.